Good morning, Kids Company children and my beautiful butterflies. So today what we're going to be doing is we're learning all about frogs and amphibians and all the different creatures that fall under that animal group. And what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be making lily pads for you to write numbers on and then hop across. But before we do that, I thought we'd have a quick lesson on the different parts of a circle. And then we make our lily pad from there. So here is a white paper plate. If you don't have paper plates, you can cut out circles from white paper. And what we're going to do is we're going to make different parts of a circle. So when you have a circle like this, it is called a hole. This part of the circle is a hole. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my ruler and I'm going to take my koki and I'm going to draw a line down the middle of the paper plate. You can see now we're going to cut it our circle now has two halves. It was a hole and now we've cut it in half. If we draw another line, if we pretend that it's whole again, and we draw a line in the middle again, but on the other side, we're going to cut that. We now have four parts. That is called quarters. We've now cut our whole circle into quarters. 1 quarter, 2 quarters, 3 quarters, 4 quarters. If we put the quarters together again, we make a whole. We can take it one step further and draw diagonal lines across, just like you did with your spider web when we learned all about spiders. Draw across and across and across and across. And we're going to cut these pieces up as well. So let's see how many pieces we've got now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've cut our whole circle into 8 pieces. One of those is called 1/8. If we put all the eighths together, we again make one whole. Kind of reminds you of a pizza. So when you're eating your next pizza, because we are allowed takeaways now, you can count your 8 slices and you cut your pizza up from one whole into 1/8. Now what I want you to do is when you're making your lily pad for jumping on, you're going to take your circles or your paper plate, I've already painted mine, and you're going to paint it green, just like a lily pad. Then you're going to draw your lines with your ruler. If you're struggling to use a ruler, Mom and Dad can help you, but I want you to try and draw your lines. So remember, we're going to draw one straight down from the top to the bottom. You're going to draw a line in the middle also from the left to the right. And you're going to draw a line diagonally across and diagonally across again to make your 8 triangles. What we're going to do is now you're going to choose, there's your 8 triangles, so you can see. What we're going to do is we're going to choose one of those triangles, so 1/8 we're going to cut out. And there is your lily pad. You have now made a lily pad. What you're going to do, you can do it or mom can help you, is you can either stick numbers on your lily pads or you can write it on. I'm going to make this lily pad number 1. Number 1. Then you're going to stick the lily pads around your lounge from 1 to 10 or even up to 20 if you want to, and then you're going to jump like a frog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up to the numbers that you've counted. And when you jump on the lily pad, you have to say the number that you're jumping on. This is a good gross motor exercise to make your legs strong and to make your core tummy muscles strong. And it's also going to help you to recognize your your numbers so that you can count. You do it for as many numbers as you'd like to go up to. And please send me a video of you hopping like a frog around your room. Enjoy this activity.